Hi, it's Liz from Lohas, Canada. So I'm coming to you from the west coast of Canada on Vancouver Island. We just got another massive snow amount. We probably haven't had this much snow since like the 90s type thing. So it happens maybe every 25 years or so. But we are here to talk about knitting things and sewing things, anything kind of crafty. I did finish my certificate for early childhood education, and so now I'm just tying that in also with my crafty endeavors. We're kind of in the middle of just after Christmas. Actually, I think today's December the 20th. We're coming up to the new year. So that's pretty exciting. Some new things and kind of planning out for the rest of the year of things that I want to hit. But I just wanted to keep you updated on what I'm doing kind of crafty-wise as well. So I wanted to show you some of the projects. This is the Woodlark shawl by Fibretales. Just starting that out, and I am using bigger yarn and I think needles too. So we shall see how big it is. Did I swatch? Absolutely not. But it's rustic wool, so I'm excited for that. I got this fabric and I finally completed it. It's just a nice little blanket. I made two sizes, just a regular nice blanket, just kind of for the couch, you know, type thing. And then I made a smaller one. And this is one I was just thinking it would be good just to put in the car as like a lap blanket. But then also my sister comes over and they usually change the baby on the bed when they come over here, and I don't have like a change table, so I thought they do have like a little change mat, but just to put it under just to protect my bed as well. So it's not very big. What happened was when I was at the fabric store, I think I got, this is 4 meters, and when she got to the 3rd or 4th meter, there was like a visible sewn thing, like so 2 pieces were sewn together, and I was like right in the middle of it, so I was like, oh, it's fine, I just will do like 3 yards and then 1 yard. But I wasn't thinking about it, because usually when I make the blankets, depending on the size, I'll get 4 meters and then cut 2 and 2, or I'll get, I think I got 8 meters once, and that was actually like a pretty big, decent size for like wrapping it around my entire body. This size is more just like my shoulders. So these are the bags that I was making around Christmas time, and yeah, I chose the bumblebee fabric, and this is housing the Woodlark shawl balls of yarn. I have some more, but I haven't wound them up yet. But I really like this design and pattern, and the closures at the top. You can do any color. This is just a muslin inside that I've lined it with, and it's just super cute. You could also, instead of the bias binding, I was thinking you can do ribbon as well, you know, for Christmas or gift ones. But now that we're over Christmas, we are on to projects for me. And so I'm working as an early childhood educator, and I just wanted to show you one of the felt stories I've been working on, a couple of them. So this one is like an adaptation of the big green monster, so all the pieces are removable. I've been trying to, for Circle Times, get kids to if they're the helper for the day, to help me with story time, and so they would actually put the pieces on to different things or remove them. So yeah, I just created that one, and I thought that was super cute. I cut out of felt these snowflakes, and you can do a counting thing with the snowflakes, and then the sun comes out and they all disappear. And that one I did out of felt, and I cut those by hand, and that took me a while and it was not fun for me. So what I'm going to do is with these rounds do Cricut vinyl on them, and with different snowflakes, and then put them on, so that I just have to cut out the circles for the felt and then just put the vinyl on the top. So I got a weighted blanket. I think this is a 10-pound weighted blanket for a queen size bed. It doesn't go over the sides of my bed, it just sits at the very top. So it's more like, I would say more of a double size, like a double sheet. But it's strange, they don't have, I got a duvet cover with it. It was sold separately. But they don't have any ties. I guess they have a little loop here I can put something, but so I'm going to sew on some ties. Maybe I can fit it through the loop. I just made some bias strips just with some muslin. I wanted to sew at the corners of the duvet on the inside, so then I could tie it in so I don't be flopping around. I finished the scarf. It's like a big infinity scarf that I'm just gonna loop around. It's just knitted not knitted, I sewed a tube, flipped it inside out, and then sewed the two ends together, and that is that. So I don't know why it takes me so long to do those projects, but at least they're done. So it looks like the weighted blanket just has a little loop, so I just put it in and then just did a couple stitches. There's just straight stitches, but I just did zigzags, so then it'll be more dispersed, the weight. I don't know how long these will hold up. I did buy this duvet cover and I realized I could have just made it, but oh well. It's just like surging. They left the edges raw and everything. Anyhow, so I did more zigzags, and all I'm gonna do, I left the ties really long just because I don't know how this is gonna hold up. I've never had a weighted blanket before, but I do sleep a lot better, and it's just like kind of like a nice hug dispersed over your body. So if you see, it's not just like just one weight on your body, like you're going to be smothered. Each pocket has a section of I don't know, little pellets or what they use inside. I think different ones use different things. So each little section has different, has the weighted stuff. So it's not just one massive thing, but it's just really nice. I had nap with it the first time when I got it, and it was just such a nice nap. So I find it keeps me a bit warmer too at nighttime, so that's been really lovely. I definitely have my sewing mojo on. I was trying to look for more of this color. Did not find it at the fabric line, but I found this beautiful butterfly pattern that I'm on this like pillow kick. I don't know why. And I found this plaid fabric. So I'm going to make some more pillowcase slips for the couch and possibly my bedroom, probably with these two fabrics. Not together, separately, but definitely on a pillowcase kick. So in one evening, I was able to make flannel pillowcase. I want a pillowcase like that in the living room just because sometimes couch cushions aren't that comfy or you just want that extra support. And I only had enough fabric to make one. I made a nice headband, really cute, don't know what it's called. Sometimes they were called turbans, sometimes they were like the double crossovers. And I also made the scarf. I can't remember how many yards I got. So I do have some more left over so I could make another headband or a different style of headband is what I was thinking. But yeah, it's nice to do it all in one day and kind of be almost done with the fabric. So I hope you have a really great week ahead of you. Bye!